mean, just like, look at it. This thing's bloody massive, right? Like, it's bigger than both my other guns. It's times 2 the size of the MP5 that I have. It's ridiculously big. Got it from Spectre Arms. It was on sale, so I impulsively, spent about 350 quid. Oh well. Comes with a stock that can be moved around to make it either shorter or longer. I don't know why you'd want it bloody longer, because it's too long as it is. Comes with basic iron sights, which I can't really use because I wear a gas mask to Airsoft, so yeah, I can't look down them. So I put my holographic on it. Didn't come with this, got this from Amazon. There's a box mag, which has 2,500 BB space. That's the capacity of it. You can either have it on automatic, where it just feeds it over and over and over and over again, just constantly, or you can have sound control, which it hears when you shoot, so then it feeds a BB up, so it's not constantly just like loud. It is really heavy. I think it was 15 kilograms, I think it said. Cannot remember, don't quote me on it. But it is bloody heavy. Battery just goes right in the stock here. I've found that it only really fits one of the smaller LiPo crane batteries. I can't fit the more powerful big one in. There's just not enough space in there for it. All these rails you can put stuff on. I don't know what the hell you put on them, because there's so many. Don't know why there's so many. But you can put attachments on the barrel. It does come with a muzzle brake and a bipod already attached as well. This is the lowest setting that it'll have, but you can make it go bigger and adjust the size so it can be more elevated for when you're using it. The stock does come with this metal bit, oh god, which allows you to just keep it on your shoulder when you're holding it. So now if I let go, it'll somewhat stay on, but I wouldn't trust it. What I have realised as well is if I just take this off, what you can actually do is just over here, I've got my M4 mag, which if I just move around this side, you can put M4 magazines into it, and they will work. So if you want a more lightweight approach, which it doesn't really help, because this doesn't weigh anything really, gives it more of a lightweight approach, where you can just use M4 mags. Makes it a bit more difficult to hold, but difficult to hold to begin with. It does also come with this foregrip, which I'm assuming you mainly use when you haven't got the bipod attached. But you can use it with the bipod. It just means that the bipod, it won't go back in to where it's meant to. So you'll have to have it left hanging. but it does make it a whole lot easier to hold, so you're not trying to force your hand around. Overall, the gun is quite solid, to be fair, for the price as well. I just think it's going to be a nightmare carrying around because of how heavy it is. But it should be okay because you're not really going to do much moving around anyway with this gun, because you mainly want to be sat in a position where you can use the gun to its advantage. Doesn't have any sort of fire selector because it's a sport weapon, so you are meant to have it on full auto. But it's actually alright.